Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim your grass airdrop allocation. If you're watching from YouTube, I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. If you're watching from TikTok, click on my profile, then you're going to see my link on my bio. Please click on it. It's going to direct you to my Telegram group for you to copy the link. Now what you just need to do is to copy the link and take it to the Solana wallet you use in participating in the campaign. That is the Solana wallet you connected to your grass account. So now I'm going to visit Phantom because I use Phantom wallet. So for those of you using Phantom wallet, what you just need to do is to click here. So if you click here, then you paste this here. So if you are using like Souffle wallet or any other supported Solana wallet, what you need to do is to look for the browser section and you paste there. So I'm going to visit this site now. Okay, so for you to claim your grass airdrop allocation, please make sure you have a little amount of Solana. So I've already connected, so let me disconnect. To disconnect, for those of you that are going to come here for the first time, just click on connect wallet, then select Phantom or Souffle depending on the one. Okay, check eligibility, my allocation. Now click on claim airdrop. After that, what you need to do is to bring it down. So you can read this if you want. So this is the grass token airdrop program terms and conditions. So bring it down, then you click on accept. So like I said, before you can claim your grass allocation, you need to have some amount of Solana. So I think maybe like $1.5 worth of Solana, or like getting to $2 worth of Solana. So they are going to charge you some amount from your Solana for claiming fee and network fee. So now you just need to click on confirm. So waiting for it to process. So the time of making this video, grass is currently at $0.8. So let's see, I'm claiming this late. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, claim successfully. So according to them, if you wish to stake your grass, you're going to get some future reward, but I'm not going to stake anything. So at least I got something from grass. So if you visit your grass section, you're going to see the amount of grass you got. So at least I got this from doing nothing, just using my mobile data without doing anything, just set the extension. So like I said in my last video, I'm going to show you guys some similar projects to grass. I'm going to discuss it in my Telegram group, so please make sure to join my Telegram group so that you not miss out. So there are other projects like grass, although I don't believe they are going to pay like grass because those projects are copycats, but it is worth doing because you are not doing anything. Yours is to set up the extension on your mobile device or your PC. Then anytime you're using your mobile data, it's going to be adding some reward for you pending anytime they want to list. Alright guys, so this is how to claim your grass allocation. I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button or give me a follow. And this is AG update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more greens to your wallet.